Did you know that the right phone case doesn't just protect your Galaxy S25 Ultra? It can actually make your phone smarter? From better grip to MagSafe compatibility, cases have evolved way beyond just being protective shells. Today I'm counting down my top 5 favorite cases for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We'll compare their protection, design, functionality, and more. And stick around because I'll reveal the ultimate winner at the end based on overall features. All the links are in the description, so let's jump right in. 5. Pitaka Tactile Woven Case. First up, the Pitaka Tactile Woven Case. This case is crafted from 1500D aramid fiber, known for being super durable yet incredibly lightweight. It's designed to be ultra slim so it barely adds any bulk to your S25 Ultra, making it perfect for those who prefer a sleek minimalist feel. The woven texture not only feels premium but also gives you a solid grip, reducing the chance of accidental drops. Plus, it's MagSafe compatible, which is a nice bonus for quick wireless charging and accessories. In real-world use, it offers good protection against scratches and light drops while maintaining a refined, elegant look. The edges are slightly raised, providing extra screen and camera protection without interfering with your phone's aesthetics. However, it's on the pricier side compared to others and comes in limited colors. But if you love minimalism with a touch of sophistication, this one's for you. It's ideal for professionals who want durability without sacrificing style. TORRAS Magnetic Shockproof Case. Next up is the TORRAS Magnetic Shockproof Case, a case built like a tank without the bulk. It boasts 4x military-grade protection, meaning your phone is safe from serious drops, even from higher surfaces. Despite that, it's surprisingly slim and has a translucent back that keeps your phone's aesthetic visible, allowing you to showcase the original design of your Galaxy S25 Ultra. The anti-fingerprint and anti-scratch coating helps keep it looking fresh even with daily use. And yes, it's MagSafe compatible too, making it great for quick accessory swaps. Compared to the Pitaka, TORRAS offers more rugged protection at a lower price point, though it doesn't have that premium feel Pitaka offers. The reinforced corners absorb shocks effectively and the grippy sides prevent accidental slips. If you want tough protection with a sleek design, this one's a solid pick, especially for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone prone to dropping their phone. A 3-dot CASEKOO crystal clear 360 deg spin magnetic stand case. Moving on to the CASEKOO crystal clear 360 deg spin magnetic stand case. This case is all about versatility and functionality. It offers 16 millifoot military grade drop protection, which is impressive, and the crystal clear design lets your phone's beauty shine through without any yellowing over time thanks to its anti-oxidation coating. What sets it apart is the 360 deg rotating kickstand, perfect for hands-free viewing in any orientation. Whether you're binge-watching shows, video calling, or even following recipes in the kitchen, it's MagSafe compatible, slim, and lightweight despite its rugged protection, making it a great all-around option. The precise cutouts ensure easy access to all buttons and ports, and the raised bezels protect the screen and camera from scratches. Compared to TORRAS, CASEKOO has the added bonus of the kickstand, but it does attract fingerprints more easily, so be ready to wipe it down occasionally. If you want a blend of style, protection, and functionality, this case is hard to beat. Cool. Now let's talk about the Ringke Alice case, designed for those who need both ruggedness and convenience in one package. This shockproof case features precise cutouts for the camera lenses, ensuring your photos stay crystal clear without any annoying lens flares. The 360 deg rotating kickstand adds flexibility for watching videos or FaceTiming, and it's MagSafe compatible with a powerful magnetic hold that keeps accessories secure. The case's rugged design includes reinforced corners and a grippy texture, making it ideal for rough environments or outdoor adventures. Compared to CASEKOO, Ringke feels a bit more durable, but the kickstand isn't as smooth when adjusting, which might be a minor inconvenience. It's great if you want military-grade protection with practical features, though it adds a little more bulk than some slimmer cases. However, that extra bulk translates to better shock absorption, making it a worthy trade-off for those who prioritize durability. Spigen Tough Armor AI MagFit Case. Last but not least, the Spigen Tough Armor Island MagFit Case. This case is all about serious protection for people who don't want to compromise on safety. It features AI-enhanced XRD foam for next-level shock absorption, plus a sturdy kickstand for hands-free viewing, whether you're streaming, video chatting, or gaming. The built-in magnets make it fully compatible with MagSafe, and it even supports fast wireless charging without any hiccups. The dual-layer construction Combining a hard polycarbonate shell with a soft TPU interior ensures maximum impact resistance against drops, bumps, and everyday wear and tear. Compared to Ringke, Spigen feels more robust and rugged, but it's slightly bulkier, which might be noticeable if you prefer slim cases. However, that bulk adds confidence, knowing your phone is protected in even the harshest conditions. The tactile buttons are responsive, and the raised lips around the screen and camera offer extra defense. If you're looking for a case that can handle life's unexpected drops while still looking sleek, this one's a top contender. Let me know if this feels more engaging and detailed. So after comparing all of them, which case takes the crown? Based on overall features like protection, design, and functionality, the Spigen Tough Armor AI MagFit case is the winner. It strikes the perfect balance between rugged protection, MagSafe compatibility, and everyday usability. But hey, that's just my pick. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. All the links are in the description if you want to check out any of these cases. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.